Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. For today we are going to make kids smoothie, a way to make kids to drink smoothie, because sometimes I make smoothie, my children never want to drink it. When they look at it, they will say, ah, poor. So it's better you make it this way. I have this strawberry, frizzy strawberry I made, and pineapple. This one is pineapple and this one is strawberry. I just put them in the freezer. And this one is carrot. I slice them and I put them in the freezer, so anytime I need them I can take it easily. So we are going to use almond milk. Almond milk is natural and nice. We're going to be using this so it will look like ice cream for them. So we are going to be using this after blending the smoothie. So let's go to the blender. So I'm going to put it in the freezer to leave it for some hours. Did you see the ice cream is ready? This is how you made it for kids. You know, these kids, they don't want to drink smoothie, so it's better you